Well, it has been a physical and emotional trial for the last 6 to 7 months. In late May I got COVID for the third time, hospitalized and intubated since oxygen was so low. After much testing they found nodules in my lungs. This led to a bronchoscopy and PET scan which determined that I had stage 4 metastatic renal carcinoma. I was discharged with an oxygen concentrator and began immune therapy at Emory Winship Cancer Institute. I have been focused on my wellness journey and doing my part to beat this condition. Since leaving the hospital I have lost 95 pounds, from 410 pounds to 315 pounds. My therapy is seeing positive results as nodules have reduced in size by half or more, and no new nodules are present. I will continue working on my self-improvement to reach 250 pounds by my 60th birthday on April 7th. Apart from my incredible doctors and care team, a good part of my weight loss success has been getting introduced to Live Good, a cost-effective wellness buyers club. Live Good is a health and wellness supplement company that has supported me in my habit modifications and overall wellness journey. I have incorporated the following daily regimen: a men's multivitamin D3K2 magnesium complex and gut health support. I take protein shakes with creatine collagen peptides and essential aminos. Now, I use organic coffee with a blend of wellness mushrooms introduced, super reds for heart health and organic greens to help improve digestion support, immunity boost energy and feel more vibrant. We are continuing the course with my immune therapy and will get a new benchmark in March 2025 to see the progress. Remaining positive and optimistic and feel God has a purpose to use me to help others overcome and see there is hope. It is never too late to make a positive change in your life, but it starts with the correct information and support team. First, our food is depleted from the proper nutrition to feed our bodies. Food is loaded with toxic chemicals and ultra-processed additives to make foods more addicting and unhealthier. Corporations have polluted our food to make us unhealthy, and that is why conditions like obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune disease are on the rise, not to mention cancer. These conditions have forced us to see doctors who are not trained in preventive medicine, but are incentivized by big pharma to prescribe drugs or have surgery. So, we are placed in a fixed system of drug and pill dependency, and never taught how to change our diet and reverse the illness, disease, or aging process. Doctors are not incentivized to educate us about internal healing, from the inside out, by detoxifying and cell regeneration, then giving our body the proper nutrition it wants and desires to heal itself. This is why I advocate Live Good and promote its products and membership. Their mission statement is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So, if you would like to begin to make positive changes to improve your overall health and wellness, or introduce actions to reduce your chances of some of these conditions mentioned, reach out to me, here to help. Start with a free health assessment, ask me for the link, or learn more with a 5-minute video at free2enroll.com. Make wellness your top priority and get started today. Like, subscribe, or comment if my story touched you personally.